back to me and Halo, where beauty meets honesty, no filters, no faces, just facts. Ever splurged on an expensive eyeshadow palette and wondered, is this really better than my $6 go-to? Let's find out. In our last video, we put long-lasting, smudge-proof lipsticks to the test, and some seriously surprised us. But today, we're switching focus from lips to lids. Is luxury really worth it when it comes to eyeshadow? Or can drugstore palettes bring just as much pigment, blend, and bold payoff? We put them head to head, and the results might just change your next purchase. Before we jump into the swatches and secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. At Me and Halo, we test it all, so you never waste a coin. Okay, let's open both palettes. Same brush, same base, same eye. One promises luxury, the other, affordability. But which one delivers? Here's something most people skip. Eyeshadow isn't just about color, it's about shape. Your eye shape affects how product lays, blends, and pops. Let's break it down. Hooded eyes, place Mattis above your natural crease and keep shimmer on the mobile lid. It creates lift. Monolids, layer gradient tones from lash line upward and always blend up to fake dimension. Round eyes, focus on the outer V with deeper shades to elongate the eye. Almond eyes, nearly every look flatters. Try smoked out wings or soft cut creases. Pro tricks. Prime your lids makes even the cheapest shadows pop. Wet your brush for shimmer. It mimics that buttery luxe finish. Use a clean brush to blend edges for that seamless, pro look. Need help choosing shades? Neutral palettes work for all shapes and skin tones. For green, Hazel Eyes, try mauves, warm purples, or gold. Brown eyes shine with bronze, teal, and burgundy. Blue eyes? Peach, copper, and warm browns make them pop. And if you're unsure, stick to matte in the crease, shimmer on the lid. Classic, and it never fails. Coming up next, we're getting into luxury skincare. Creams that cost hundreds. Are they miracle workers or marketing fluff? Let's find out what's really inside those expensive jars. At the end of the day, it's not about price, it's about performance. Eyeshadow magic comes from technique, not just tags. Choose what works for your eyes and let the blend speak for itself. If this video helped you rethink your makeup stash, give it a like and share it with your beauty bestie. And don't forget to subscribe to Me and Halo, your trusted beauty guide that keeps it real.